Hi Kanishka. Hi Shilpi. I'll just join you in. Hi everyone. Hi Shweta.
Hey Preeti. Hi Preeti.
Hi Shilpi. I can't see you.
Yeah,
Yes. Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. How are things going now?
All good. Yeah. Everything's
Great.
fine. I hope our Insta family is keeping well and they're
Yeah, I
staying
know.
healthy, staying home.
Yeah. I think so there's some network
Your
issues.
video is buffering. There is a little connection problem from your end.
I think so. Let me just have a check. What's wrong with it?
It's hanging.
It's better now?
Yes, I think so. Right now it is.
Great.
So we'll wait for a few more people to join in.
Yeah, let's do that.
Hi Sabya. Hi Binu. Hi Swati. I hope everybody is safe and they're staying home, enjoying their quarantine. We have no other
I,
option.
I think so the lockdown is over now, so they're coming back to their normal
But
life.
I think everybody is afraid to step out right now.
I know. Still, they're thinking twice.
Okay, so let's start with the session now. And
Yeah, let's
hi
do that.
Nana. Okay, so today we have your Miss Shilpi. She is an image consultant. We had a live session before also that was about contour and accessories on different face shapes. And today we're going to talk about three looks that we can dress you up in. One is corporate look, and the other one is day look. Then when you're going out with your friends for a lunch or maybe anything, and then in the end, we're going to talk about evening glam look if you're going to attend a party. So I'll give it to you, Shilpi.
Yeah,
Please
sure.
introduce yourself more and let's start with it.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to a live session. So this time, me and Preeti have thought about a topic of why not dressing up and doing the makeup according to which occasion you want to attend. So, being an image consultant, I believe the first impression is the last impression. I think so. Everyone believes that. So I think so.
Yeah.
Everyone has made an impression about me probably, and they must have already thought they like me or not. Everyone does that. And you make that first impression, Preeti,
Mm-hmm.
between 3 to 7 seconds upon looking a person.
Mm-hmm.
And in that, the appearance
Shilpi, your
really
video is
matters.
buffering again.
Really?
Your voice is breaking. Yes. Can you check your connection once? I am not able to hear you properly.
Okay, I'm not that audible. Is it better?
The video and voice is breaking in between.
Is it better now?
Yeah. So we were talking about.
I was talking about the first impressions. First impression is the last impression, as you know, Preeti, and it takes us 3 to 7 seconds to form up an impression about a person. So,
True.
in that, I think so. The appearance plays an important role. So, under appearance,
Mhm.
I'm going to talk about today a bit of clothing, and definitely, you're talking about makeup that plays an important role in your appearance. So,
That's true.
so um, so appearance we talk about. Appearance is related to clothing, and clothing is related to somewhat you need to dress up according to the occasion, because your clothing makes statement without you saying anything. Clothes speak
Mm-hmm.
before you do. So you need to be very careful in choosing your outfits for your occasions. So
Yes.
I'll give you a small tip how to build up your wardrobe according to the occasions. You can play with an outfit by remembering 4 A's. 4 A's. I'm talking
Okay.
about the authenticity, the
Mm-hmm.
affordability, the outfit should look attractive, and the last is the appropriate. The By
Yes.
appropriate, I mean, Preeti, the outfit should look good for the occasion. Again, I think so. The network issue today.
Yes, there is a lot. Mm.
Oh my God, that's
Shall we
sad.
end and start again?
Yeah, let's do starting. Please give us a second to come join you back.
I think, guys, there is a severe connection problem. Let's join Shilpi again. Wait for a minute, please. Hi, Nupur. Hi, Nikita. Okay, so she's here.
Is it? I don't know. Hey Preeti, can you see me?
Hi.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Right now, yes, it's fine.
I hope it's
So
going to be.
let's start from the 4 A's that we were talking
Okay.
about, Shilpi.
Yeah.
So
Hi,
we were
Shireen.
our first impression is our main impression. Everybody forms an opinion based on our clothing, the way we are dressed, the way we carry our makeup. So we were talking about the 4 A's that
Yeah.
defines our clothing and our dress up. Can you start that all over again?
Yeah. I was talking about Preeti. The 4 A's is the affordability, the
Mm-hmm.
attractive outfit, then the authenticity,
Mm-hmm.
and then appropriate.
Mm-hmm.
The outfit should cover all these 4 A's to make
Mm-hmm.
the perfect outfit for the occasion. So if I talk
Mm-hmm.
about the appropriate, so talking about the occasion, I'm talking about the time,
Mm-hmm.
then I'm talking about the weather. So the outfit should
Yeah.
complete all these things, 3 things into it. We should take into mind about these 3 things. Then
Mm-hmm.
the attractive part is the fitting of the outfit, the color.
Mm-hmm.
The color should be soothing. It should look good on you, and then
Yes.
it should accentuate your best features and camouflage
Mm-hmm.
your variations with the attraction
Yes.
thing. And then
True.
affordabilities, again, it's your pocket, whichever pocket,
Mm-hmm.
you don't need to spend a bomb to buy a outfit that suits you. I think so it's in every range you can get any kind of outfits. So,
Yes.
and
Yes.
the
It depends
last
how you
is,
style, actually.
yeah, you should know how to style it. And the last, I'm going to talk about the authenticity.
Hmm.
Authenticity is what you are from inside. See, if you love to wear a black color or some covered
Hmm.
dresses because of the religious value, let it be. Just play around with those outfits only. Don't try to ape other people, you know. Okay, if she's wearing a neon color top and you know it's showing, it's revealing, obviously you would love to wear it or you vouch on it, but then that is not your style. So please
Yeah, it
don't
might
ape
not
it
suit
and wear
you.
it. Yeah,
Yes, so
wear
what?
something suits you. And Preeti, actually, if you're not wearing that authentic outfit, you are not confident. You won't be able to carry it. So that will show on your face eventually. That's going to show on your face eventually. And people
Yeah,
can easily make out that you are not confident and you're
non-con.
uncomfortable. You are
True.
uncomfortable in that outfit. So
Yeah.
that's how I think. So everyone should play around these 4 A's and build up their own wardrobe. So that's easy for them, you know. It's
Yeah.
something that's easy and they can easily pick up at any time, at any you know, any weather which is on, and any, you know, any part of your country you're moving in. So you're sorted with it. I think so.
Yes.
Okay.
That's true. That's true. So, first look that today we're going to talk about is our corporate look.
Yeah.
And let's just talk about the dress up first, and then probably I'll take over the
The
makeup thing.
makeup. Yeah. So pretty about the dresses, the corporate means means a lot of authority. It shows a lot of power.
Yeah.
So the dresses should communicate these things only to the other person.
True.
So authority means adding that third layer to your outfit. So with third layer and a collar. Collar itself creates
Okay.
that power thing in you.
Yes.
So people
Yeah.
wear a lot of power suits, you know that, to the corporates. Then matte suits.
Yes. Suits are very much in fashion these
They
days.
are the part of it, but yes, definitely you can wear a collared shirt with the trousers. Girls can pair up with skirts with a collared shirt, then jackets and trousers. They look good. Then if you get into the Indian traditional outfits, then I can say kurtis with straight pants, you know, and a collar added to them, you know. Again, that will give a power to them. And then
Yes.
saris with collared blouses, they look amazing. And then if you want to, if they are high on a hierarchy, then they can definitely add those jackets to saris. And I think so you must have seen a lot of fashion designers that have come up with jackets, you know, with saris.
Yes.
And they look really chic. They look very smart. And
Yes.
I think so the corporates, again, they should go for the very solid colors and nothing too printy and fancy. And if girls are wearing skirts, make sure they're wearing stockings along with it, because there should be no skin show in corporates, because you mean business. So the attention should not go away to other parts, you know. So they need to focus on their work. So that's how you need to cover up yourself and show that authority in you. And I want to add on.
Someone would recommend stockings, Shilpi. Aren't they a little uncomfortable in this?
Not at
Even
all.
in summer?
Yes, definitely. Because all offices are having air conditioning, they're cool, so you can easily have the jackets and the stockings on. In fact, they are pretty comfortable, Preeti.
And there is network issue.
I don't know, but here it's absolutely fine.
Okay, so talking about the makeup, coming on to makeup now, when you are dressing up for your office, I would recommend to keep it minimalistic. Your skin should look nice and clean, and I wouldn't say too much of makeup on your eyes. You can maybe add a tint of color, something which is matte, not shimmery at all.
Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
play a little bit with liner, the way you like it, a little thin or thick. Some people like wearing wing liner also these days in offices.
Yeah.
So don't go overboard with the wing. Yes, but just a small sweet wing will look really nice. And a good coat of mascara. No eyelashes, please. It'll be too much for a corporate look. And I would say about the lipsticks, you can keep it nudes or soft pinks that go, they look nice and cool in the daytime, and we don't want to attract too much of attention. So
Again.
yeah, so I would say minimalistic makeup, to the point makeup, and good coat of mascara, nude lips is my go-to look, I
It's
would say. You
sorted
can
with
do
this.
contour for that
Yeah,
matter, but
yeah.
a very soft and powder contour, I would say. Don't go too much with the
For the
cream
house.
contour. You look very bad. So very clean skin, just a tint of color on your eyes. You can even skip that if you want to, because we're adding a good coat of mascara, and nude lips is what I would recommend
Oh,
for
that's
your
going to look
corporate look.
great. Yeah, you're right. We can do that. And Preeti, if you can
And we can
add
play
on,
a little bit with the hair thing also. If
yeah,
it's
hair.
too,
That's what I was
you
asking.
know,
Yeah,
okay. So if it's like very hot, you can tie a nice pony, and maybe you can do a nice neat bun also. It looks very nice on
yeah,
blazers and everything. When you do a side parted chic bun like this, a low
yeah,
bun here, this
yeah.
it looks really nice. Depends on your face cut entirely though, but
Mhm.
usually it suits you in the summertime. And you can leave your hair open anytime if you're comfortable.
Yeah,
That
I think
shouldn't
so.
be a
And they should be
problem.
pretty neat and trimmed and not too
Yeah,
long to be left
yeah,
open. I think so.
yes.
That's
If you
the
like to
people
have
should be
like a
careful.
hair like me,
Yeah.
long hair,
So probably
it's a
tie
little
them.
cumbersome.
Yeah.
But if you have like a short hair length like you, a shoulder length or a mid length, then
I've
maybe you
got
can
very
leave them
long
open.
hair, everything. It's just
Okay.
that cut, you know. It's created that cut. Otherwise, I've got very long hair. See?
So yeah, maybe just keep them neat. They shouldn't be looking frizzy, I would say. Maybe you can
Yeah.
iron them a little bit, give them
Mhm.
a clean look. And chic look is what basically we're looking for in a corporate look. So
Yeah.
neat, tidy, to the point, not too jazzy, not too show
Heavy.
off kind of a thing in terms
Yeah.
of dressing as well as in terms of makeup. So you
Yeah.
should, it should be presentable, but it shouldn't be too much of it. So that's
You're
what we're
right.
looking for.
Yes,
Yeah.
Preeti, you're right. Yeah.
So
Something to go with
what
it.
if,
Again, I want to add something, Preeti. If you want to carry bags, also make sure they're very
yes.
structured bags for the corporate look. You know, if you're carrying the
Hmm.
laptop bags or the regular handbags the ladies are carrying, so not too
Hmm.
blingy, not too heavy buckle, and some solid colors again. You know, you can go for.
Okay.
And if you're talking about the shoes again, the closed shoes, they look great with the corporate
Hmm.
look, and the heel should not be more than 4 inches. You know, so make sure about that too, so that it's
Okay.
totally you mean business by wearing these outfits and the makeup and everything. So that's what it
Yeah.
means, you know.
So it should make a statement actually, but it shouldn't look like too much that you
Yeah,
done too much of everything. The
yeah.
dressing is loud, the makeup is loud. You're not going to a party. You're
You're
going to
not
your
going to a
office.
party. So that's
Yeah.
how you need to make that, you know, create that different zones, you know, in that
Yes.
in a day, you know. So that's how.
Yes. There has to be a difference between a day party and a day
Hmm.
office look, right?
Yeah.
So we can't mix both. We're going to talk about it next now. So if
Yeah.
what if we're
Lena,
going to
can I answer a
day
question, Preeti?
event?
Sorry, I'm sorry. And should you wear a long blazer? It depends. If you are going for a creative business meet, then I think so you can really
Hmm.
pull off a long blazer. Otherwise, if you're going for a CEO or a business meet, then a well-stitched match suit looks wonderful on a person.
Yes, that's true. So we have questions also. I think I skipped few of them. Clothes for office look. Should we wear a long blazer? You just answered that.
Answer it, yeah.
All right. So next we're gonna talk about day out with friends. If you're going out for a lunch, a kitty, a party, it can be anything. So what kind of clothing can we go for, Shilpi?
Preeti, what I'm seeing right now in the society, actually, the ladies cannot, the girls and the ladies cannot decide what to wear at the day brunch and what
Yeah.
to wear at the night. Because maximum girls tend to wear whatever they feel like. You know, even those shimmery outfits, even those blingy things, they want to pull up in the daytime. What
Yes.
I feel, no, they are totally meant towards the evenings. So let it be for the
Hmm.
evening parties, your lounges, your clubbing. So that's something more appropriate to it. For the daytime is more
Hmm.
fun loving. You want to enjoy yourself. you want to have that, chatty kind of gossip kind of an atmosphere, and you want to be
Yes.
comfortable. So what can you relate with it? It's more of a casual kind of outfits you can pull out.
True.
So Preeti, I
True.
could suggest more of denims. Denims looks great with, floral tops, or you can pull up those polka dots, those stripes,
Hmm.
those patterns. You can play with those bows,
Yes.
ruffles.
Prince.
They look
Yes.
great during the day bunches. And then
Yeah.
if you love to wear those dresses, then I think
Hmm.
so. One piece again, the breezy, the loose, the cooler ones, they look really nice in the day
Especially in
brunches.
summers, they look really
In
nice.
summer,
The
especially
pastels and
yeah,
nice prints,
definitely.
they look really nice.
Yeah, I'm talking about the weather right now, something related to this
Hmm.
weather. So something, the colors also, Preeti, that also plays an
Yeah.
important role. We can go towards
Hmm.
more towards pastel during the daytimes. And
Yes.
okay, if you feel like wearing a yellow, yellow looks great.
Hmm.
So we
Hmm.
can always choose a pale yellow, then a canary yellow, because pale yellow is very soothing for
Hmm.
other people also to look at. To you know, you don't look.
Yes.
It doesn't look too dark or too striky in the daytime. And same as
True.
canary yellow, it's going to be really starky. So we can
Hmm.
avoid these kind of colors, and then also
Hmm.
we can look really nice and cool in the daytime.
Yes. True.
And
True.
what about the makeup, Preeti? What kind of makeup we can use with these kind of?
Um, I think in terms of makeup, since it is day look, that then even in the day parties also, I would not say that we can just go to too much. We can do too much makeup. I would say that we can surely wear colored lenses if you
Yeah,
want to add that cool factor to it. A good coat of mascara for me is very good. I mean, it's good enough, but
yeah.
somebody they're very keen for lashes, the event demands for it, then you can wear very soft and natural looking lashes. And in terms of eye makeup, I would say just stick to either mattes, single color, or if you want to play it dual, then a little bit of shimmer will look nice.
Okay.
But don't take too dark colors, like, cool colors like blues and purple, something like that. I would not suggest that. They look too jazzy. Maybe earthy tones only will look nice, and very clean. And contour again should be soft since it's a day look, so those harsh lines will be visible and they don't look nice. You can play a
Okay.
little bit the lipper here. I would not strongly recommend nudes. You can play with the dark colors also, but one thing in mind you always have to keep is that if you're playing with your eyes, you putting lenses, you putting lashes, putting colors on your
Yeah.
eyes, then keep the lips. And if you are keen to play with the bold color lipper, then keep your eyes very nude. So there has
Okay.
to be a
It's something the
balance.
opposite that's playing it. Yeah.
Yes, we have to create a balance, Shilpi. We can't
Yeah,
do
definitely.
everything. In an evening event, we would still. I mean, we can still do that. But in a day
Right.
event, we don't want all eyes to, get stuck on you.
Yeah,
So
you're right.
you should look
Same as the
attractive.
outfits, Preeti. It's something
Yes,
similar to the outfits we are playing with.
yes. If you're wearing, in summers, you would always try and wear pastels or
Yeah.
whites or, something like that in a daytime. So if you're already wearing pastel, then you can add a pop of color
Pop
to
of
your
color.
lips,
Yeah.
rather than, going the same color eyeshadow on your
Overboard with.
eyes. Just
Yeah,
keep
you're
eyes
right.
very minimal and play with the pop of color on your lips. A little bit of highlighter will also look nice in the day brunches, but please
Great.
don't take a bath with it.
That's true. A lot of girls are doing that now.
Yeah,
They just want to
they look
show off
very
their
bad,
highlighters. Yeah.
especially when the sun is hitting on your skin, on your cheeks.
Face.
It looks
Yeah.
really bad.
You're right. You're right. So, Preeti, about the bags, if I talk about again the day look for the brunches and all, I think so. People who have those really nice branded big bags whom they want to flaunt, I think so. That's the best time to flaunt your bag. The
Yes, true.
monochrome looks and those logo bags, and they look really nice with these
Yeah.
casual outings with this brunches or day parties. You're talking about the kitty parties and everything. Then there are a lot of bucket bags that are really in nowadays. So you can carry a crossbody bucket style bag. Totes looks amazing during the
Clothes looks
daytime.
nice.
The hobo bag. So, and
Yeah.
heels also something very funky you can wear, wedges just to give that, taller effect to your dresses, outfits, and to give you a slimmer and a taller look. You can add wedges to your outfits. And then, yes, flats. If you want to go casual, then definitely the sneakers are there, the occasions are there, the loafers are there. You can play with them
Yes,
too.
they also look really nice
They
in the
look
day.
really nice in the day look. So you want to be comfortable and you want to
Yeah.
enjoy yourself. So that's
It's not, it's not always important to carry heels when
not
you're
at all.
attending
See,
an
but
event.
definitely, Preeti, who are short in height, they definitely want to give that
Yeah,
edge to the outfit. Then you don't mind wearing a wedge.
of
Wedge looks
course.
really nice
Taller
with the,
people can
yeah, taller
go
people
for
can
it.
pull it off. They look good. Otherwise, everyone looks nice. But then, yes,
Mm.
they love to wear heels. Then I think so wedges are the best option
Yeah,
rather than wearing those stilettos
still
and strappy sandals. You can wear those wedges to give that comfortable look to your outfits. Even with the denims, the
mm.
wedges looks great with the denims too.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we
All
go for
right. So next we're gonna
the last look? We're going to talk about the party
yes,
look, right? The evening look.
party look.
Okay.
Yes. So let's talk about the dressing first.
Pretty evening means drama. It means
Yeah.
you need to look that attractive, that factor should be there in you. So, so you need people to look at you. So I think so that's the best place to do some
Yeah.
skin show on your body,
Yes.
and so that you can be that center of attraction. And then yes, definitely if you have that perfect body shape that you've earned,
Yeah.
so you can really flaunt it with highlighting those areas, and and adding that bling, that sequence in your outfits. And
Yeah.
definitely not too much of prints in the evening, so you can always go for the solid colors, something monochromatic, something like blacks. Looks obviously blacks and reds, they look
Yes.
great, but then you can opt for burgundy, the wine,
Mhm.
uh, green color, that dark green color. They look amazing in the evenings too.
Yeah. True.
And
And
what
we can
about
obviously play with the blingy part here when we're going for an evening event, clubbing, or we're going to attend a lounge party. So we
yeah,
can skin show as well as the sequence part if you if
yeah,
somebody is
yeah, both of them looks
yeah,
really nice
definitely.
that way.
Yeah. Bling is too much in fashion these days, though. A lot
Yeah,
of
they look
people, a
great.
person like me, can't carry it
Yeah,
a lot. But
why?
I mean, it look nice on other people. But
Uh,
certainly, I mean, I feel that it gets too much for me somehow. I don't
prob-
know why. I mean,
Probably, Preeti, you can carry that bling in your makeup, or you can carry that bling in your bag or your shoes. It's something, an element
yes.
you can add on into to create that interest in you. So
Yes,
that you
I
can
can
do
add
that.
bling to my shoes and maybe a
Yeah,
little bit bling in the outfit also, but like too much blingy entire outfit is full of sequins. Somehow I mean that's not my
personally,
style.
that's not your
Yeah.
choice. That's okay. You can add a bit of it, somewhere or the other. So it's something you're going with the fashion and you're happy yourself. Then that's what
Yes.
authenticity is. Uh, Preeti, you're being authentic to
True.
yourself. You're being true to
Yes.
yourself.
Yes.
That's how you're not
Yes.
aping other
I like it
people.
on other people. I mean, they have their own personal choice and style statement,
Yeah.
but somehow I am never able to do it. I mean, I've tried a lot of times to pick up a sequence dress when I go shopping, but somehow I can't do it.
That's
I
not
mean, it
you.
doesn't allow me. My
That's
conscience
not
doesn't allow me.
that's not you, Preeti.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So what about the
So
makeup,
talking
Preeti?
about the makeup thing here,
Hmm.
Shilpi, you there?
Yeah, I'm
Your
there.
video is hanging again. Yes. So coming up to makeup, if you're going out for an evening, a clubbing party or anything. So you can play a lot with your makeup here now. Finally, I'm saying that. And you can add colored lenses. You can surely add good oomph with the lashes, and you can play with color on the eyes. You can add some glitter also. Too much glitter, I would not suggest if you're wearing a blingy outfit also. Then it gets, too
Too
blingy.
much, too
Yeah.
confusing, I
If
think so.
Yes, if the outfit is solid color, or a little not too blingy, then you can add, of course, a good amount of glitter on your eyes. But I would say if the outfit already is very blingy, then keeping your eyes a little matte is what I would suggest. Smoky
Suggest.
looks very nice with such outfits, smoky eyes.
Okay.
You play just with one color, two colors, and give a good transition shade, and matching to your outfit maybe. And smoky looks very nice with nude
And
lips.
you can,
And if
so
you
okay with
are
only with
adding,
nude lips. You can wear a bold lip
sorry.
color with smoky eyes. Sorry, Preeti. Can you wear a bold
Um,
lip color with the smoky eye too?
People do it, but I personally feel that when you're doing smoky eyes, you want the focus on your eyes
Right.
only. So
Right.
if you add that color, pop of color on your lips, the attention gets distracted.
Right.
So I would say just keep the focus on your eyes and keep your lips nude.
Okay.
And if you're not keeping too much of focus on your eyes, keeping your eyes a little neutral, then definitely you should go for a red or a hot pink color when you're going for an evening event.
Got it.
And glitter, if you're adding it, that again depends how much glitter you're adding. If you're
Okay.
adding too much of glitter to your eyes, then try to keep nude, or a medium tone color. Give medium tone color to your lips. And if you're adding just a tint of glitter, then you can play with whatever lipper you want to.
Oh, great.
And
That's nice.
secondly, in terms of contour, you can definitely go ahead with the cream contour now, and give a sharp look to your face. Because in such
Evening.
parties,
Yeah.
the lights are quite dim,
Oh,
and you
yes.
can wear heavy makeup. In the daytime, when sunlight is there,
Sunlight
daylight is
itself is
there.
playing such a natural light is there.
Yes,
And what about the
yes. So we
shimmer
want,
part, Preeti? In the evening, can we put a lot of shimmer?
yes, you can bath with the shimmer.
Okay.
You can go ahead and put the amount of highlighter you want to add, and that's
Wow.
not a problem at all.
Okay.
But try to maintain a little balance is what
Okay.
my key mantra is. That don't go overboard with everything.
Got it.
You will end up looking jazzy, and you will end up looking not classy. You will not look classy at all
Classy.
if you will overdo it. So maintain a balance. If you're wearing a blingy outfit, maintain a balance in the makeup. If you're
Yeah.
wearing heavy makeup, then maintain some balance in your outfit. So that balance is very important, is
See,
what
that's
I would
what,
say.
Preeti, it's something really well. So someone said it, dress how you want to be addressed, dressed and makeup, and how you want to be addressed. It's basically whatever you want to portray yourself, that's how the people are going to look at
Yes,
it that way.
true,
So,
true.
so, so for the evening, yeah, sorry, Preeti, you can carry on with your makeup thing.
No, I think that's about it.
That's
Just
about it.
bright colors look really nice in the evening, I would say, on the lips.
Yeah,
But then again, it depends what type of eyes you're doing,
eyes you're
just
doing.
as I
Yeah.
explained right now.
Mhm.
So, talking about the bags and footwear, Shilpi, what
Yeah,
can we put?
the bags, a lot of interesting bags that have come up for the evening wear. You know, a lot of belt bags. They've launched those belt bags. Initially, they were just for the day look because they were very simple. But now, little bit of bling they've added to these belt bags, and they're actually they're solving two purposes. Preeti, they are accentuating your waist, and who's got that amazing
Mhm.
waistline, they can add on that bag. And the bag is something a go-to. You know, you can put your makeup essentials into it and you're
Yeah,
sorted. You can easily dance around in the club. You can
yeah,
enjoy yourself for the evening. And then there are other
yeah.
bags like the clutch. They look very classy and amazing. Then there are the wristlet bags that go around your wrist. And then there are the menagerie bags. They look amazing. There are again a lot of drama bags, studded bags. So they also look very good, very chic with the evening wear. And shoes, I think so. You can pull up any kind of shoes, sandals and stilettos,
Yeah.
and you can pull out
Stilettos.
those high heels which you really want to vouch on. Avoid it in the daytime, and preferably for the evening, you would love to wear it because you are there to show them off, So something like that, and blingy again,
Yes.
and whoever likes those
Yes.
bright colored, shoes, the sandals, they can easily pull it up for the evening.
True, true, true. So
Yeah.
in terms of, I think, hairstyling, if we talk about in the evening look, I would
Yeah.
say we can you can keep your hair open with straight hair or
Yeah.
curls, or maybe you can do a messy bun also. They also look really nice when you're wearing an off shoulder or you
Off shoulder.
showing off some
Even
skin.
pulled up hair look very nice.
Yes,
Messy bun
in a
or the
ponytail.
pulled up, really those wet look hair, I think, so, in a tight
Yes,
bun.
that look hair look really nice.
It
That
looks
chic
really
look that we're
great.
talking about that we talked about in the corporate look.
Corporate
That
look, yeah.
also you can carry off in the lounge wear and club wear thing. It looks really nice when you are all blingy and all that. Then again, it comes about the balancing,
Comes
right?
about the
So
things, yeah.
yeah. So if you
That's
showing some skin, you wearing a very hot makeup, then if you pull up your hair back and give a chic look with it, it looks really nice. Gives a
clearly
statement.
looks good. Yeah,
Yes.
definitely. It
It
gives
looks
us.
attractive.
It definitely looks attractive. Yeah. So I think so. We're done with the live session for today, or any?
I think we're gonna wait for some questions now.
Yeah,
If
let's
somebody
do
has any questions, please you guys can go ahead and ask us.
We would be happy to answer you guys.
Yes. Some people are still joining in. The session is over.
I
Let's
know.
talk about the topics again, I would say. Outfits
I
for
hope.
party.
Thank you. Outfits for
Thank you,
party look is
Kanishka.
again.
Kanishka is just saying you both are great.
Oh, thank you
Thanks
so much.
for the
Thanks
superb
a lot.
guys. Thank you so much, Kanishka. Means a lot.
Yeah, it means a lot. If any one of you have a personal question to ask to, please, they're most welcome to DM us or any of us. Thanks, Gurveen. Any of us Instagram handles, and we would love to answer you.
Yes. Somebody asked clothes for the party look. We just
explained. Party look could be, again, it depends on the choice of the person who's choosing the outfits. They can the skimpiest outfits, the skin show outfits, plus, or they can be those trousers with a nice classic tops with it, something, and a lot of accessories added onto it to give that bling look to it. So these kind of outfits really look good, and probably those long dresses also look really great. Thanks, Raika. The long dresses, they even look great for the evening wear. We can do something. Jumpsuits again. Nowadays, those kind of jumpsuits, they have a cut on the waist, or there's nice detailing, little bit of embroidery, little bit of embellishments. They look great again for the evening look.
Yes, we girls are blessed. Yeah, we have so much options to explore.
I know. Thanks, Abhi.
For boys, it's just t-shirts, collar t-shirts, shirts, and for us, it's like endless.
I know. But even for the men, I think so. There are a lot of avenues that's opening up, So, so there are a lot of things they can explore now. I think so. Men are also getting into it. A lot of men, in fact, Preeti, they're coming for the image sessions, nowadays, because they have that awareness, they're getting that awareness, and they want to portray themselves, They want to give that best impression of themselves. It's very important for them, not only in their office, even in the social, their their personal lives. That really helps them, So that's what.
Summer fashion for men.
Summer fashion for men. Abhiyukti, it can be a lot of linen wear. For men, if they are going for a day brunch, they can explore a lot of linen wear. Then if I talk about, okay, the next session for men's, please. So we're going to do a next session for men's, okay. So then again, a lot of men can play with the t-shirts. Polo t-shirts look great for the summers. Then avoid, yes, jeans. Just make sure you wear jeans only for the daytimes with the t-shirt. Then evenings can be little bit more formal with collared shirts. They look really nice. They look really chic for the evenings, club wears. Then you can, if that person have that personal choice of wearing a print, little bit of prints, a very simple
Prints look
print.
really nice on
So if
men now.
men can really pull it off, they have their own, they have that own style. They like those prints, so they can definitely wear those printed shirts for the evenings. Then again, if
True.
you have Abhi for the corporate looks, then again the power suits, the mat suits, the shirt and the trousers, the jackets and the chinos, they look amazing on men for the corporate look. Thank you, Abhi.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah,
So, do we have more questions?
I don't think so.
Good job. Awesome. So, I'm glad to know that people have enjoyed the session today.
Yeah.
In fact, these days men are also keen for a little bit of makeup when they're
Yes,
going
they do.
out for a party.
I think the last time
So
you
they
had
would,
that query of a makeup from a boy, I remember, yeah. You wanted to ask you
yeah,
what parts you can do the contouring and
yes,
where you can do that. So that was quite interesting.
they
And
can
that's really
definitely
nice,
conceal.
Preeti.
They
That's
can
very
definitely
good.
conceal their skin with the
But why
concealer,
not?
and they can put a little bit of compact also matching to their skin tone. So I mean, it gives a very nice clean look to men also.
And I
Why
believe
should
if,
girls have
yeah,
all the fun?
Preeti,
No.
if that gives them confidence, then I
Yes, then
don't think
why
so.
not?
Why not?
There's
There's
no
no
harm.
harm in putting any kind of makeup on your face, I believe.
There's no harm.
Yeah.
They should definitely style their hair very nicely, I would say.
Yeah, very neatly.
And yes, their shoes should be very neat. And these are the two main things that is required in men, I think. I mean, you are a better judge, but I
No,
mean, my personal choice.
it's again pretty everything. It's everything
Yes,
that
it's
counts,
again everything. Yes,
It's not
true.
only left till the ladies or the women. I think so. It's come up for the men also. They need to
Yes,
dress
yes.
up really well. They need to be
Hmm.
groomed. Appearance should be perfect. The body language should be perfect. Everything should be great
Yes,
about them too.
yes,
Even the girls
yes.
need to accept them, so they need to be prim and proper for that.
True, true. So I think we already have a request. Next session on men's, please.
Men,
So we will
yes,
do a men's wear and men's grooming
definitely
session
do
next,
that.
maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we definitely do that.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed the session today, and thank you so much, Shilpi, for joining in. It's
So much
always a
to do.
pleasure to have you on board,
Sure,
and
sure.
we would love to have you again.
Sure.
And
I'm
we'll surely
like
plan a session soon.
definitely looking forward for that. Thank you so much, Preeti. You've always been a great help. Thanks a lot, dear.
It was a pleasure. Thank you, Kanishka. Thank you for so much
Bye.
love, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So we'll
Thank-
see you guys soon.
yes,
Stay home,
definitely.
stay safe. See you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you
See
for joining.
you. Bye.
Bye,
Thanks.
Shilpi. Thank you
Bye.
so much. Bye.